Good morning, period 5, English 8. I'm so happy to be here with you and to celebrate with you the end of quarter 3. It was the wildest, most unexpected quarter that we've probably ever had or ever will have. We'll probably remember it forever. And I just wanted to come together with you to celebrate making it through. I honor your resilience, your adaptability, and your determination to finish, even when things were challenging, frustrating, and confusing. And I could think of no better way to celebrate with you than to do some Joy Jar shout outs. So today I am going to share with you 14 joy filled shout outs. And I just want you to join with me and feel the joy and the gratitude that we are feeling at this precise moment. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to our 14 Joy Jar shout outs right now. So, in random order, and I will only use your name if you posted your name to be used. And we're going to start with a shout out from Christiana. And Christiana says, I am joyful that my parents bought cream eggs and now I get to eat them. Yay for cream eggs and for parents who buy us things that we love. Next one. I feel really joyful that I can spend time with my family because I don't see them that much because of my activities. I also like that I can relax more and have fun. I enjoyed everything and I hope we all will be safe. Yay, I've so enjoyed having more time to connect with the people that I loved in my life too. So I totally appreciate that one. Third of the 14 shout outs says this. I am joyful that I got some new shoes and a chain. So when we're all back together again, we'll be looking for the classmate who has the new shoes. Next up, I'm grateful for a mother who is a germaphobe, who keeps the house clean and buys things to make us food for months without us having to make contact with the outside world. Yay! Sometimes things that can be a struggle can become a superpower in moments of need. So, congratulations. Next one. I'm grateful that we have some time to finish and turn in late assignments. I'm also happy that this long time where we're at home has allowed me to focus a lot of time on art and creativity. Yay, we celebrate with you, and art and creativity are some of the best ways to get through hard times. And totally honor your efforts in that way. Okay, next shout out says I feel grateful of the quarter coming to an end and a new quarter starting. I also feel joyful for my grades. Yay, congratulations. We celebrate with you having good grades in a really weird time. And I think we're all pretty ready for third quarter to end and something new to start. Okay, I don't remember where we are in our count, but continuing on with our 14 shout outs. This one says, I'm grateful that I had my dog to sit next to me and beg me for Cheetos. Oh, pets can really help us at times like this, so I'm so glad that you have one. And I would never turn down a Cheeto, so I get your dog's begging. Okay, next up comes from Mr. Todd. Mr. Todd says, good day to you all. I am thankful that my family and I are safe and healthy. I am thankful that I get to work with such wonderful students. I am thankful that I get to work with such a wonderful teacher like Miss Millwood. Thank you, Mr. Todd, for the shout out, and we're so appreciative of all your efforts in our class too. Thank you, thank you. Okay, next up. I am happy that I can talk to my friends. Yes, we're so lucky that we have so many ways that we can communicate, even if we're having to stay inside the house. So that's good for me too. Next up, I am grateful that during this hard time, I still have amazing best friends. Yes, we still have so many great things going on, even if the world is a little bit weird and difficult right now. So I love that you have great support. Okay, next I am joyful for my family being safe during this quarantine and that none of them have been sick. Wow, yeah. In light of everything going on, this is the biggest shout out of all, right? That we're safe, that we're healthy, and that the people that we love are too. So, yay, we celebrate that with you. Second to last of the 14. So here we go. This classmate says that they are joyful that spring break is coming up soon. I think we all could say a big yes to that one. We need this break. And finally, number 14 of 14. I am joyful because my Amazon orders came in and I won't be bored. Of course, I'm super curious what was in that Amazon order, but we are so excited for you that you will not be bored. So, yay! Thank you for your Joy Jar shout outs. We're so excited to be able to share your joy and to celebrate with you. But I wasn't quite ready to say goodbye. So, how about a little bonus joy? So, it's April 1st, but this is no April Fool's joke. For sticking with it, for listening to our Joy Jar shoutouts, I'm going to give you a chance to win some bonus points. This is how it'll work. For the first 5 students to private message me with the information I will share in 1 second, you will receive 5 bonus points added to any assignment of your choosing. So what information do you need to share with me? First, you need to share with me how many Joy Jar shoutouts did we enjoy today? And finally, which assignment would you like your points added to? I look forward to hearing from you all. And as we end this quarter, I again just want to congratulate you on surviving in really challenging times. I wish you all a peaceful, safe, healthy, joyful, playful spring break. And I look forward to seeing you back when the week is through. So until then, stay joyful. Bye.